In the British era, British started to read Vedas after William Jones. Their idea was it's a Sanskrit language, oldest language, it is mother of Indian languages, so we need to study Vedas. Vedas are the oldest scriptures of Hindus, mother of all scriptures, so we need to study Vedas. And we need to find faults into it. And we need to find global connections within it, etc. Whatever their agenda was. And they created some good things, some bad things. It happened in 1780s, 1820s, 1840s, 1860s. Gradually, Indians started to learn Vedas with modern lens, and they created different narrative कि भाई हम इतने backward नहीं थे जैसे आप कहते हो, हम भी progressive थे. So same Vedas, same primary sources are now being interrogated with different sets of questions. हमारी महानता क्या थी? British asked हमारी कमियां क्या थी? हम पूछ रहे हमारी महानता क्या थी? So British found some facts selectively. Nationalists also found some facts selectively. उन्होंने कहा उसी वेद में ये भी तो कहा है. Then you come after independence, 1960s, 1970s. It's the high noon of Marxist era. So Marxists or leftists are asking कि हमारी खामियां क्या क्या थी. For example, so we have people studying that as well. So different era, different historians ask different questions from the same sources, and they get different data points also. Do you understand that? So that is another point कि which past you want to interrogate. आज के दिन में we have the era in 1960s, 70s, 80s, 90s where we have Dalit historians, we have feminist historians. So the feminist questions that we may ask the Vedas today were never asked आज से 200 साल पहले. So we'll get different answers. Some answers will be very good, some will not be very happy answers. What can we do? तो हर समय हर समाज अलग सवाल पूछता है. जैसे सवाल बदलेगा, इवन इफ द सेम सोर्स इज देयर, सेम पास्ट इज देयर, जवाब बदलेगा. सो हिस्ट्री इज नॉट अ स्टैटिक हिस्ट्री. हिस्ट्री इज अ वेरी डायनामिक सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज वी आर चेंजिंग. बिकॉज वी चेंज, we ask different questions from the past, we get different answers. Our needs change, our problems change. मैं एक बार दुकान में यहाँ गया था एंड वो दुकानदार के पास आई वांटेड सम हिस्ट्री बुक. तो उसने कहा लेट मी गो एंड इनसाइड एंड फाइंड इन माय स्टॉक ही गॉट वेरी ओल्ड एडिशन. पन्ने पीले थे, धूल पड़ी थी. उसने कहा ये लो. मैंने कहा हिस्ट्री पुरानी किताब है ये. उसने कहा हिस्ट्री तो है, क्या बदलेगी, ले लो. मैंने कहा हिस्ट्री बदलती है भाई. हिस्ट्री चेंजेस, पास्ट डजंट चेंज, हिस्ट्री चेंजेस.